Once, before time had a name, there was a dolphin.
The dolphin was golden and had magical powers.
There was also an evil sorcerer who stole people's souls.
The sorcerer tried and tried to catch the dolphin, but he never succeeded in finding him.
Legend says that the dolphin will help restore balance to the universe.
One day, the sorcerer vanished somewhere close to a planet called Earth.
Before the sorcerer vanished, he vowed to one day return and take control over the universe.
Hey, my hat! My hat! You stole my hat!
Where's my bag?
Thief!
There's a thief!
Hello. Hi. This was what you read.
That was close.
FBI, you're under arrest. Let's see how to keep souls.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
How to keep souls.
Oh, let's get the plane Anyway, that was nice. Goodbye.
I'm all alone in this world. I have no family. No one likes me because I'm a thief. But I guess that's what I am, a thief. What's that? Oh my god, a golden dolphin!
Yes, it is I.
I thought you guys, all the humans killed you.
No, I'm actually the one.
Wow.
I have come to you because I might have sensed that you have the purest soul in the world.
So I must be very important then.
Yes, you are destined to become the one who will come with me and find the golden weapon to defeat the evil sorcerer.
Quick question. Will I be able to ride you on the way?
Sure, whatever you want.
Thank you. I'll come with you willingly.
Come with me.
Where are you taking me?
I'm taking you to the holy golden weapon
Why do I need a holy golden weapon?
to defeat the evil sorcerer, of course.
Well, I don't want to defeat the evil sorcerer. I just want to talk to him, hoping that he will surrender.
That's both. But you can't hope to win. You have to.
Okay, fine. I'll allow you to let me use the golden weapon so that I can kill him.
We're almost here. Get ready for our descent.
Okay.
The weapon that you're holding is the ancient Thousand Sigma, used by many great warriors who their power in their heart have made it very powerful. And so forth, it is the only weapon that can destroy the evil sorcerer, whose heart is made out of pure hatred and greed.
Am I the one destined to do this?
Yes, you are. Your heart is as pure as gold. Your soul is as brave as a lion. You are the one. Here she comes, and the dolphin will be mine. I must leave you from here, because I cannot go further. The evil is too strong around here. I wish you good luck. Come back home safely.
I shall defeat the evil sorcerer and bring back freedom to all the souls.
Action!
You don't understand.
What don't I understand?
You will throw the world out of balance.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Everything this universe is a purpose.
But there no longer will be a world to conquer.
I will make my own world full of because people without souls are easier to rule.
People without souls have no brain.
Brain! Of course I have a brain. I just mingle with it. What's wrong with that? And anyway, I'm not wasting my time. You're so too.
I shall end you now.
You're so too. Yucky and good. I'm gonna kill you with this, you know. So,
Never understand.
what are you when you're sitting on the Dolphin? So,
You messed with the wrong person. You never understood the world.
yeah! Thank you for restoring peace and unity to our world.
It's okay. I kind of owe you one anyway, because you brought my family.
Aw, thank you.
Now we won't have any crazy sorcerers to fight, and all the souls will be restored to balance.
Let's hope there's not going to be another sorcerer.
That would be my nightmare.
Yeah.